The second James Ivory Ismail Merchant film long ago was Shakespeare Wala. It starred Shashi Kapoor and Felicity Candle, among others. It was a story of a nomad Shakespeare theatre company that traveled all over India after independence and put up Shakespeare. It's based on a true story. In the film, the character portrayed by the young and very handsome Shashi Kapoor is in love with Felicity Candle, Felicity Candle's character. In real life, Shashi was married to Felicity's sister, Jennifer. In the film, in one scene, Shashi Kapoor recites a sher or a couplet, Urdu sher. It goes something like this. शाम भी थी धुआं धुआं हुस्न भी था उदास उदास शाम भी थी धुआं धुआं हुस्न भी था उदास उदास दिल को कई कहानियाँ याद सी आके रह गईं. The evening was smoky, her elegance was sorrowful, many forgotten stories were recollected by the heart. It paints an interesting picture. Robert Frost had said that poetry is what is lost in translation. It sounds quite beautiful in Urdu, actually. Later, the same couplet was quoted very badly in the film Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara by Farhan Akhtar. I don't think he understands Urdu or poetry. What do I know? So when I listened to this in Shakespeare Wala, it was the first time I became aware of Firaq Gorakhpuri, the poet. It was his lines that were quoted, which I just quoted. So many years later, when I met Ismail Merchant, I mentioned this to him and thanked him for introducing me to Firaq Gorakhpuri. We also discussed his choice of ghazals and singers of Faiz's poetry. He had featured those in the film In Custody. That also starred Shashi Kapoor and the very difficult Shabana Azmi. Ismail and I remained light acquaintances till his death. We used to talk generally around Christmas when I used to send him every year a bottle of wine. And we used to talk about movies and wine and so forth. Years later, when I made my film The Journey, I used another couplet by Firaq Gorakhpuri. शामें किसी को मांगती हैं आज भी फिराक शामें किसी को मांगती हैं आज भी फिराक यूँ ज़िंदगी में मुझको कोई कमी नहीं. The evening translation. The evenings still ask for someone, otherwise I lack nothing. I had Roshan Seth's character recite it in the film. He's come from India to Pittsburgh to visit his son. He goes to meet his childhood friend, portrayed by the wonderful Saeed Jafri, who hosts an Indian music radio program. Here is the scene. बात निकली तो हर एक बात पे रोना आया कभी खुद पे
दुनिया की जफा याद न अपनी वफा याद अब कुछ भी नहीं मुझको मोहब्बत के सिवा याद मुद्दत हुई एक हादसे इश्क को लेकिन अब तक है तेरे दिल के धड़कने की सदा याद.
अभी तक शायरी करके लड़कियां फंसा रहे हो.
किशन हम जाने मन तू यहाँ. What the hell are you doing here? Oh, better.
Thank you.
Sit. कब आया?
कुछ ही दिन हुए. This is my son Raj. He's a doctor. ये हमारे भाई अशोक.
जीते रहो बेटे. हाँ.
So, does it work?
Does what work?
The poetry. I see you're still using it to charm women.
कहाँ यार? Who would want a short, old, ugly man like me?
Oh, don't talk like that. You're not that short. You're still young.
What about ugly? अच्छा. So, अपनी बीवी को साथ लाए हो या यूं ही अकेले मजे लूटने आ गए?
No, she passed away
No.
a few months ago.
I am sorry. I am sorry. What about your wife?
She's busy tonight.
Laura's American.
I see. यार सुना तुम एक बहुत बड़े आदमी बन गए हो. The president gave you an award or something?
That's nothing.
What do you mean nothing? You have been a headmaster of a school for 30 years. You deserve some credit.
Of this kind.
So, my friend, tell me, how is life?
शामें किसी को मांगती हैं आ जाए फिरा. गो जिंदगी में यूं मुझे कोई कमी नहीं.
Lovely.
As we were rehearsing the scene, dear Saeed Jaffrey told us a story. By the way, he was lovely to work with. He's a wonderful man. Saeed had attended Allahabad University in Uttar Pradesh in India and was studying English. Firak Gorakhpuri was the professor. Firak's real name was Raghupati Sahai, and Saeed laughingly mentions that as soon as he mentioned to everyone that he was going to be in Firak's class, they started teasing him. You see, Firak was openly gay and was known to fall in love with his good-looking students. All kind of scandals. And Saeed Jaffrey was very good-looking. Saeed said he was terrified upon hearing all these stories and just decided to cut the classes. He won't go to the classes. Of course, that could not go on forever. Eventually, he did attend and would sit at the back of the class, slide down low in his chair. Luckily, he said, Firak did not notice him. So here's the poem in which these lines are quoted, and these lines occur, and sung by Salma Aga, a Pakistani singer.
नर्म फिजा की करवटें, नर्म फिजा की करवटें दिल को दुखा के रह गईं. नर्म फिजा की करवटें दिल को दुखा के रह गईं. ठंडी हवाएं भीतरी, ठंडी हवाएं उठा इसकी निगाह इश्क का, इसकी निगाह इश्क का दर्द सुना के रह गई। इसकी निगाह इश्क का दर्द सुना के रह गई। नर्म फिजा की करवटें फिर हैं वही उदासियाँ, फिर वही सूनी कायनात, फिर हैं वही उदासियाँ, फिर वही सूनी कायनात। पहले तरब की महफिलें, अहले तरब की महफिलें रंग जमा के रह गईं। अहले तरब की महफिलें रंग जमा के रह गईं। नर्म फिजा की करवटें कौन से कौन दे सका, कौन से कौन दे सका गमज़दगान इश्क को। कौन से कौन दे सका गमज़दगान इश्क को। भीगती रात